Welcome to Northampton Airport, Northampton, Massachusetts. My name is Steve Cody. I'm the scheduler and dispatcher for the flight school and the rental planes here at the airport. Only two of the functions that we do here. We're a privately owned but public access airport. Anybody who wants to can land here. We are what they call a fixed base operator, which means we provide hangar space, we provide fuel, we provide instruction. In our case, we have a large flight school. It's an exciting place. You look at an airport and there's the broad expanse of grass with a little bit of pavement on it and a few hangars and planes, and it looks very bucolic, but it's an exciting place. People and commerce are coming and going. We have famous people coming in and out of here all the time. We are an economic engine. There's an awful lot of business transport that comes in here. People coming into the area on business, or rather, it's so much easier than flying into Logan or Bradley and getting a cab coming all the way up. We have local people who can reach out to markets that they didn't have before for the same reason, convenience. The Secretary of Transportation from Ohio some decades ago had a phrase that we like to use, that the most important street in any town is the runway of the local airport.